Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video you would not be seeing my face because today's video would be about this beautiful nail art that we would be creating together. It is a very simple nail art, and for creating this look all you need is just few fun nail polish colors and maybe some dotting tools. If you do not have dotting tools you can easily go with a toothpick or maybe even a ball pen. So now without further ado, let's directly jump into tutorial of this nail art. So for today's nail art we would be requiring a few dotting tools. I have this set of 5 dotting tools with different diameters, I would say. You can easily buy this from Amazon. If you're interested in buying these, I would leave a link to the same in the description box down below, and you can check it out for yourself. Apart from these dotting tools, we would be requiring a few bright colored nail polishes or whatever colors you would like to have on your nails. I have selected a few bright colored nail polishes because it's like summers and I do like to have bright colors on my nails. And for my base coat I would be using a white color because all the other colors would be very easy to pop over a white nail polish. So now with all these tools in place, let's get started. The white nail polish that I would be using as my base is by Seri, and it is a Color Flirt long wear nail polish in the shade White Beauty. So this is what I would be using on my nails as a base. I have already done a full swatch video using this particular nail polish and the others that I have from the brand. If you are interested in knowing more about the colors that I have from Seri Cosmetics, then I would leave that video in the description box down below and even somewhere on the I button. You can go with a single coat of nail polish or you can apply 2 coats like I would be doing. So I'll just quickly apply 2 coats of this white nail polish and I would be right back. Now I am completely done with 2 coats of this white nail polish and it is completely dry. Now we are ready with our base. Now for creating the dots, I would start by using this particular red. This nail polish is by the brand K Beauty and it is in the shade Carnival. So we would be using this particular red with the dotting tools. Now for my first color, I would just select the biggest one that I have. This is how the biggest dot looks like. Now I'll just take a little wooden plank that I have with me and just take out a little bit of this nail polish on this plank so that I am easily able to have my dots using this. If you do not have something like this, you can use any plate or whatever you have with you in the house. I am not a nail art professional and so I do not have a lot of nail art tools, and that is why I am using this. Now let's start with applying this. All you have to do is dip your dotting tool in this very carefully and just place the dot wherever you want. I'll just create a few dots using this. You can overlap it if you want, or you can leave it as it is. I would also be using the tiny side of this one to create a few tiny dots as well. So this is how the first nail looks like after all the dots I have created. Now I would be repeating this process on all my nails first, and then we'll jump into the second color. So this is how my nails look like when I'm completely done with my red color. There is no particular pattern in which I have applied these dots. It is just like a random dot thing, and you can select whatever pattern you like. It is all about your creativity and the way you want the nail art to look. Now I'll just let it dry for a couple of minutes and then we'll move on to the next color. Now my nails are completely dry, and for my next color I would be taking this beautiful pink by the brand L18 and it is shade number 128 from their Nail Pop collection. I have reviewed and swatched a bunch of these nail polishes very recently on my channel. So if you are interested in seeing the swatches of this particular nail paint and the others that I have from the collection, so I would be linking that video in the description box down below. Now let's start with applying this color. I again have my wooden plank with me. I'll just shake the polish a little bit, and then like earlier I would just take out the color on the plank, and then again with the help of a dotting tool I would just take a little bit of color on the dotting tool and place the dots where I want them. done with the pink as well, and this is how my nails look right now. I have long nails, and that is the reason I might be able to have so many colors on my nails. But if you have shorter nails, then you might like to go with just 2 or 3 different nail polishes. But that again, it depends completely on you. You can go with 5 colors but have a lesser number of dots. Now once I let it dry completely, I would go for a yellow this time, because red and pink, both of them look very similar to each other, and so there is not much difference in both the colors that is actually visible. So now I'll just go with a bright yellow. This particular yellow that I would be using is again from L18, and it is again from the Nailpop collection. This is shade number 135. We will be applying this in the very similar manner. Just take out a little bit of polish on the plank or whatever you are using. In that case, take your dotting tool and just start applying dots wherever you feel like applying. I am cleaning my dotting tool in between so that I can have the exact color that I want. This is how my nails look like when I am done with the yellow as well. You can see that this yellow has actually added a little bit of brightness to the nail paint. Now to add a little bit of more color, I would be using this green again from the L18 Nailpop collection, and this particular shade is shade number 61. Using this in the similar manner. Now after doing the green, this is how my nails are looking right now. I am really happy with the fact that how beautiful and how colorful actually they are looking. Now to add a final color to my nails, I would be using this beautiful blue, which is by Masaba by Nykaa, and it is their shade 292. The process of using any color is exactly the same. All you have to do is take out a little bit of color on a plank or a cardboard sheet or whatever you have with you, and just take the color on your dotting tool and apply it wherever you want to. This is how my nails look when all the colors are done. If you want, you can add more colors, you can add more brightness to this nail art look, but I actually do not think I have a lot more space on my nails for anything else. So yes, this is how my final nail art looks like. I'll just quickly go off the camera and apply a top coat on this, and I would be right back. This is a very simple one, and you can go for this whenever you want. It might require a little more time, maybe 5 to 10 minutes more than the usual nail polish thing, but it certainly looks very colorful and very beautiful. That's it for today's video. Hope you liked today's video. If you like such nail art tutorials on my channel, then do let me know in the comment section down below, and do also let me know what special type of nail art technique would you like to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.